Not for
America
politics.
remains the crypto capital.
Founder Changpeng Zhao.
Stablecoin bill.
Not
Look
just
at it
gold.
as digital gold.
In the arrest of Do Kwon, the founder of Terra USD and Luna.
An honor to be here.
Not for fraud.
Denied bail yesterday.
Very excited to introduce you to Sam Bankman-Fried.
NFT.
Now selling for huge bucks.
$69 million.
So what's
This is a gigantic bubble. Just
Not
waiting
for
to be
hype.
fascinated by it.
$100,000 cat gift. $3 million tweet.
Or ICOs.
Luxury overseas.
Bitcoin as cash for the world.
We have the ability to create technologies that are decentralized.
Mt. Gox.
All the way down to 1 penny.
A marketplace where anyone could buy or sell anonymously.
Something called the Bitcoin.
Mining in China.
Just miner after miner after miner after miner.
110. This is the highest that it's
It
been.
was meant to be.